we're going to make the easiest peach pie you have ever made. Now, I have in this little mixing bowl, I have got a cup of milk and I have a 9x13 pan. I'm going to put 1 stick of butter in my 9x13 pan. This is so easy. I can't wait to have a bite of this with a cup of coffee. I'm really excited about it. All right, just plop your stick of butter in there and put it in your oven at 350 degrees. Wait for that to melt. While you're waiting for that to melt, let's combine some ingredients. And our ingredients that we're going to combine today are going to be simple ingredients that are probably already in your pantry. There's one ingredient in this recipe that I have that does not call for this ingredient, but I'm going to put it in, is vanilla extract. It doesn't call for it, but I like that with peaches. So I'm going to put about 2 capfuls in the sugar. Just kind of let it sit there. All right. While our oven gets heated and the butter gets melted, I told you 1 cup of milk. And we're going to have 1 cup of sugar going in. Ooh, that vanilla and that sugar smells so good. That goes in. Now, guess what else we need? I'm putting self-rising flour. You can do plain and add the baking powder if you want to. 1 cup for me, self-rising flour. I keep all my baking items right up here where I can reach them, and I can they're readily available for me when I really get to baking. 1 cup of flour. All right, we'll need to kind of blend this together because we're going to be putting all of this into our baking dish. Just kind of mix this up. It might look a little lumpy, but that's okay. It'll be all right. I checked on the pie at 25, it wasn't done. So I checked on it at 30 and I thought I'd let it go just a little more. So I'm going to check on it now, see how it's doing. Yeah, I think we're there. Turn the oven off. Honestly, this pie, if I remember correctly, it keeps on like cooking after you bring it out. So now I'm going to treat myself and my husband to a 3 o'clock treat. And the wonderful thing about this, you don't even have to cut it out. You just scoop it with a spoon. You know how it's always hard to get that first piece out? You don't have to worry about it. Just scoop it out. All that butter in the bottom, it glides right out. Look at those beautiful peaches. Isn't that sweet? It is going to be so tasty. And right now, honestly, I cannot taste it because it is literally 375 degrees right now. But it's such a sweet little pie. And it's so easy to make. Gotta make one because you'll just enjoy it so much. I know you will. I love it. Now, I've had it for a lot of years, from way back from the 70s. Doesn't it look delicious? I mean, it's so easy to get out the butter in the bottom, and you don't have to cut it. Just spoon it out and get what you want. Spoon it out. And Alan and I, we're going to have a piece with a cup of coffee. It's so hot. It's delicious. Absolutely delicious. Guys, make this. I know you'll enjoy it. Use different berries or different fruit, whatever you want. I'm going to put a little cinnamon on my peaches in a few minutes. I love y'all. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.